In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok 3. This comprehensive guide is designed to aid you in navigating through the exciting features of Grok 3 with ease and effectiveness. Let's dive in and explore the process step by step. The journey begins with a simple yet crucial task: opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is the first step on our path to using Grok 3. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll need to type Grok into the search bar. This will bring up a list of search results related to Grok that you can choose from. Now, after you've searched for Grok, one of the search results that will appear is the official website for Grok. Click the link to open the Grok website. This is the place where you'll be able to interact directly with Grok 3, so it's an important step in our journey. Once you've successfully navigated to the Grok website, it's time to engage with your creativity. You'll want to craft a prompt by using your imagination. For instance, you could imagine a future city powered by emotions. This kind of prompt is not only interesting, but also showcases the vast potential of Grok 3 in bringing imaginative ideas to digital life. After crafting your imaginative prompt, the next action is to click Submit. This is a straightforward but essential step because it sends your unique prompt into the system. Submitting the prompt is essentially where the magic happens, and it allows Grok 3 to process and interact with the concept you've imagined. Keep in mind, as you journey through these steps, that precision is key. Each action you take brings you closer to fully experiencing what Grok 3 has to offer. As you become more familiar with this system, your ability to utilize its capabilities will only improve. Remember, exploring new technology like Grok 3 is not just about following steps, but about embracing a hands-on approach. Each time you use Grok, try experimenting with different prompts to see how the system can bring various ideas to life. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions along the way, don't hesitate to revisit this guide or explore additional resources. Enjoy your experience with Grok 3 as you discover the dynamic abilities it provides in transforming abstract ideas into interactive realities. Thank you for following along with this guide on how to use Grok 3. We hope you found it helpful and are excited to explore the endless possibilities that this platform presents. Stay curious and keep creating.